What's up guys, Manny from Motomillion. I got myself a red cart, half a red Ducati, and some carbon fiber. Well, we're back with the Supreme build, guys. If you haven't watched the previous videos, because it's been a little while to get this cart full of parts, we're taking this beautiful brand new Ducati Streetfighter V4 Supreme and making it deserve that Supreme name that we're going to give it. What does it include? It includes a lot of carbon fiber and more to make sure that this bike is like no other. There's only 150 of them, but when we're done, there's going to be only one Supreme and today we're installing these inner side panels by Fullsix, and I think these parts over here make the biggest visual difference on the street fighters of this generation, because all this dull plastic over here is going to be replaced with shiny carbon fiber. If you're not into shiny carbon fiber, these are available in satin carbon as well, which matches the Ducati Performance carbon fiber products that you may already have on your motorcycle. Also, we're going to install our radiator and oil cooler guards because we're going to gain access to the area to install these beautiful pieces. It really blacks out the front, but the purpose of these things is to protect your radiator and oil cooler. This bike has no miles. That radiator is brand new. We want to make sure that it stays brand new. Along the way, of course, we're going to do our winglets and carbon fiber. And also, since we're going to take these body panels off, we're going to do our ignition switch cover today too. But that's not it, because there's a lot of other parts on this cart and a lot of parts that's not on this cart that's going to go on this motorcycle. Enough talking, more working. Let's install some carbon fiber. Well, we got ourselves a naked bike, and we're almost there with the installation of our radiator guards. I gotta just undo 2 more bolts so that we could get these parts in there. But I want to show you guys, this is the Evotech radiator guard for the Streetfighter V4, but I want to also mention that there are 2 Evotechs. There's Evotech Italy, which made this part, but there's also Evotech Performance from the UK that also makes radiator guards and other parts as well that you've seen on our 2025 Panigale V4 and V2 build. Either way, we like this product for this application, so that's what we're installing. I also want to remind you, all the products that you see on our videos today is in the link in the description below. Let me get those bolts out, the radiator's on, and then afterwards, I'm going to grab our scales. The radiator guards are on, and now it's time to assemble everything with carbon fiber parts. But before that, we have our scale here. I just want to show you something. With proper carbon fiber parts, it's not like you're only getting the looks of carbon fiber, but you're getting the weight savings that's associated with structural parts like winglets and also these inner panels, because these do hold these winglets in place that generate downforce for your motorcycle. Let's go ahead and put all the plastic parts. All the grommets are taken off, they're over here. And then let's put the plastic winglets on top. They definitely feel heavier than what the scale is showing me. There we go. Anything touching, nothing touching. 2.94 pounds for all the plastic pieces. Let me pull these away. Let's put the carbon ones on and let's see if we saved any weight. Scale zeroed out. Now the carbon fiber part time. Let's put them on. This is more tedious because I don't want to scratch anything. The scale is on, zeroed out. 1.68 pounds. So over a pound of difference for the weight, guys. So there you go. You could save weight also by adding carbon fiber to your motorcycle. It's not just looks. Are you really after the weight savings? No, but when you buy quality parts that are made in proper places using the proper tools and procedures, the carbon fiber will be lighter than plastic. Either way, now that we showed you that, let's get all these carbon on the bike and put those beautiful Supreme bodywork pieces back on this motorcycle. Almost all the bodywork is on, with the exception of the top tank cover. And I know you've been peeking, but don't take a look here yet. We're going to reveal everything once we put everything back together. We got one more part to install, which is this ignition switch cover before that top tank cover goes on. And I also want to mention, guys, we've been trying something new. We go live on Instagram and YouTube before we film. It's not every day, but the days that we film, we go live there. There's sometimes some decisions we want to make, so we ask you to help us with the decisions, but also I take questions from you guys live on YouTube and Instagram, so be on the lookout when we go live. It's a great chance to get some sneak previews of what we're doing over here at Motomillion, but also to talk with me directly, to ask me anything you want to ask. But as I always say, let me get this last piece on so that we can take a good look at how good this motorcycle looks now. Well guys, would you just look at this bike? It's looking so much better already. And if you own a Streetfighter V4, any parts that was in the front of it, we have a lot more other parts to install. All the rest of the dull plastics are going to be removed. Maybe we're going to get our hands on a slip-on to install on this motorcycle as well. But next episode is going to be the handlebar setup. We're going to clean all this stuff up. We're going to use some Ducati performance parts to keep this bike as OEM as possible, but some aftermarket parts that this bike will truly deserve as well. Until then, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Until next time, guys, have a good one.